Greetings and welcome to Glodeanu.com, an online invoicing webpage. You can create an account, add the seller banking information, add users to view and add to your account's data, add services and or products, add different client banking and miscellaneous information, create invoices, export them in PDF format, directly send the PDF invoices on your email. Search for a previous existing invoice. Export all your Glodeanu.com data into CSV format. In this third chapter, the password updating will be presented. Kindly log in on Glodeanu.com. Click on the Update button from the Functions menu, followed by the clicking on the Password button. Fill in the required fields, as current password, new password and retype the new password. Click on the Update Password button. You will be prompted with a success message and you have received an email informing you that your account's password has been updated. Regards and take care from Glodeanu.com.